How to download songs on Spotify without premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you whether we can download songs on Spotify without premium or not. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a Spotify app on your device and make sure to sign in. Now tap on your library at bottom center of your screen. Now tap plus icon at top right corner of your screen and you can easily select playlist. Now give this playlist a name, for example, favorite, and tap on create button. Now you can add song to playlist by tapping on add to playlist button. So you can select the top songs or you can easily search any song which you like to add on your playlist. So you can easily tap on the plus button next to the songs and it will be added to your playlist. Once done, you can easily come back and then you can tap the three dots next to it and here you need to see download button, but you can see next to download there is premium button. That means you need to have premium in order to download songs in a Spotify. Alternatively, in order to download songs, you have a free premium trick. You need to exit Spotify and open your web browser, search for a free Spotify premium. Click the link that offers 3 months of premium for $0. You can log in with your email and password to claim the offer and enjoy downloading songs for free until the 3 months of free trial. So currently this is only the alternative way to download songs on Spotify on free trial. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.